In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a heart symbol into your emails using Microsoft Outlook. This guide is perfect for anyone wanting to add a touch of personality and emotion to their digital communications and is super simple to follow. So let's dive right into it. First, let's open up Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If you're already familiar with where to find it, that's great. But for those who need a little guidance, you can usually find it in your Start menu or on your desktop, depending on how you've set it up. Once you've got that open, you're going to want to locate and click on the New Email button. This is usually found at the top left corner of the Outlook application window. Clicking this will open a new email message. Now that you're in the new message window, you can start composing your email. You might be writing to a friend, a colleague, or maybe sending out a special note to someone you care about. Adding symbols, like a heart, can make your message more warm and personalized, capturing your sentiment perfectly. To insert that special heart symbol, you'll want to use a handy feature in Windows. Press the Windows key and the period key simultaneously on your keyboard. This key combination opens up an emoji panel on your screen. This panel is a treasure trove of emojis and symbols you can use to add a bit more expression to your emails. Within this emoji panel, you'll find a search bar at the top, making it incredibly easy to locate exactly what you're looking for. Simply type in the word heart into the search bar, and you'll see a range of heart emojis and symbols appear. You can choose the one that best fits the tone of your message. Once you've decided, simply click on the heart you want, and it will automatically be inserted into the body of your email where your cursor is. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a heart symbol into your Outlook email. It's a small detail, but one that can add just the right amount of flair and meaning to your message. Using emojis and symbols this way is a simple yet effective way to infuse your personal energy into digital communication, making your emails stand out in someone's inbox. To wrap it up, remember that adding personal touches to your emails doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few clicks, you can make your emails more engaging and memorable. I hope this guide helps you bring more love and expressiveness into your emails. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.